Hey guys, Omar here. Today we're going to be looking at bash plates or underbody skid protection plates for four-wheel drives. I've ordered some from Custom Offroads here in Brisbane. Ordered last week, they arrived promptly this week. Dispatched through Big Post. So I'm just sort of in the process of trying to open the box now. Hang on a sec. So they offer two options. One is stainless steel and the other is mild steel. Mild steel is a bit cheaper. It's I think 3mm in terms of thickness. Stainless steel is 4mm, but it is more expensive. For my purposes, where I'll just be doing occasional off-roading and nothing serious, I think mild steel is sufficient. I believe you need to paint it, being mild steel. So stainless steel, you don't need to worry about painting or applying any rust protection. It's ready to use, but mild steel you do need to paint. So have a quick look at these plates, see what they look like. Just put the phone here and I'll open this bubble wrap up. Give me one sec. Have to cut through it. Gilbert's here to check it out. Our resident ninja cat. Okay. A couple of stickers by Custom Offroad. Let's get this first plate out. Okay. So there's one. Just gonna put it to the side here. I didn't order the one for the rear because I've got a petrol Pajero, and my understanding is with some models of the petrol Pajero, the rear plate or the plate for the transmission doesn't fit well. So I've just ordered the one for the sump and the first two. And we'll try and fit them sometime this week. It's raining right now, so I probably won't be able to do it for the next couple of days. Okay. Not bad. So this is the one for the front. It's got the Pajero writing punched out through it. You can choose for the brand name or you can choose Custom Offroad. I chose Pajero, so alrighty. Sorry for the loud noise. Okay. Alright, so these are the two plates. We'll try and put them later this week, and I'll make a video that time about installing them, and then we'll upload it on YouTube. Alright guys, so here we are with the bash plates for my four-wheel drive from Custom Offroads. As you can see, we've put rust protection on them and painted them as well, so they're ready to go. There's a four-wheel drive right there. It's all jacked up and ready to go. Don't really need to raise it very high, just a little bit to give you slightly more room to get under it, as most four-wheel drives already have lift kits under them. So I've jacked them both up. I've got jack stands underneath them. I loosen my jacks and still leave them under there though, just for an extra protection, but I don't use my jacks as the primary source of protection. So these are the two factory plates that need to come off. This one here first. As you can see in my case, it's hooked up to the nudge bar. So I'll probably have to take these bolts off that secure it to nudge bar as well, and then the one behind it. The transmission one, I'm not too sure as to whether I could do it with this petrol model, so I haven't purchased the transmission bash plate yet, but I'm gonna have to make some measurements and see if it fits before I order it. So the first thing to do is to take these bolts off, take these two custom factory plates off, and then we'll move on and install the other ones. Okay guys, so the bash plates have been put in. It's a little bit tricky because I had to take the nudge bar off to fit the front plate in. Otherwise it just wouldn't work. So I had to take the nudge bar off to take the front plate off, and then put the ones in. So you got to put the sump one in first. That's the one under the motor, and then you got to put the front one in. Now ideally I'd also like to replace the transmission plate, but I've heard it can be a bit of an issue with this model of the Pajero petrol. So I've got to make some measurements and see if that will work or not. But these two are in at least for now. They're nice and secure. They look pretty cool. We'll probably just need to do another coat of paint. But yeah, they're pretty much good to go. Very solid, 3mm thick, so it is pretty sturdy. And I think it will provide some decent protection going forward. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.